I know the silence between you feels louder than any argument, and your heart is tired from hoping for one more chance at love. God, I come to you for a prayer for marriage restoration, to soften hearts, to end this cold silence, and to rebuild trust where it has been broken. You see every tear they cry when no one is looking. You hear every word they wish they could say but are afraid to speak. Lord, touch their hearts right now. Take away pride, defensiveness, the need to be right, and replace it with a gentle spirit that wants to heal. Where there is distance, bring closeness. Where there is bitterness, plant forgiveness. Where there is fear, pour out courage to try again. God, break the cold silence between them. Give them the strength to say, I'm sorry. I forgive you. I still choose us. Restore their friendship, their laughter, their tenderness. Let them remember why they first fell in love. The small moments, the quiet smiles, the dreams they once shared. Guard this home from every voice that wants to divide. Protect their family and cover their children with peace. Teach them to speak life, not wounds. To listen with soft hearts. To tell the truth with kindness. And to rebuild trust one honest step at a time. Breathe new life into this marriage, God. Make it stronger than before, more patient, more gentle, more rooted in you. Hold this couple in your arms tonight and whisper hope into their hearts again. Amen.